Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and fill the brake fluid in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pop the hood right underneath this kick panel here. There's a little lever. Pull that lever. To release the safety on the hood, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the passenger side. Lift up on the hood. The prop rod is right here. Lift it up and you can put it in that slot right there. Your brake fluid is located back here. If you want to check it or if you want to add to it, you want to take a rag, wipe the dust or dirt off the top because you don't want any of that contaminating the fluid. Alright, you can take the cap off, twist it to the left and pull it up. This vehicle requires .3 brake fluid. It says right on the cap. And you can see the level in there. A lot of times if you shake it just back and forth, it can help you find the level. The minimum level is down here. So if you're close to the minimum, you may want to add some fluid to reinstall the cap. Just line it up and turn it to the right. Take the prop rod out, put that in position, close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.